direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see you glowing. Glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping tonight.
こんにちは、皆さん元気ですか？ Today also verbs. So yesterday or maybe last time we learned do verb and u verb and irregular and must, musta. Today actually all this do verb and u verb irregular we can categorize again big two categories. So this is a long form. So long form u verb and do verb and irregular. And actually short form do verb and u verbs and irregular. So this is the biggest category of the verbs. Okay. So we can explain what is the differences. Okay. So first of all, long form you can learn at the A2 level. So if you are now at the A2 levels, you will learn everything long form. Okay? So when you finish A2 levels, you can go A3 level and you can learn the short form. So what is the difference is this long form and short form? So long form, do verb, u verb, irregular. And short form, do verb, u verb, irregular. So I just picked up these two verbs. For example, to eat. You learned already to eat is 食べる、食べます、食べました。I will eat and I ate. This is a positive sentence, not I don't eat, I didn't eat. So this is a positive sentence. This is 食べます、食べました。This is a long form. And short form, 食べる、食べた。If you're now A2 level, you don't need to do, but just we need to know because when you see some Japanese people or maybe TV or YouTube, I've never heard. I just learned this form and then, but people are talking like this. What is the differences? Okay, so we can learn. For example, to go also 行きます、行きました。This is the A2 level long form, but if you go A3 short form and 行く、行った。行く、行った。そう、食べます to 食べる。食べました to 食べた。行きます to 行く。行きました to 行った。All these details you will learn A3 to how to change, but today is just a knowledge what is the differences. So the differences is here. So long form, first of all, if you use alone, is very polite. Okay, polite form. So short form, if you use this part alone, okay, 食べる I will eat, 食べた I ate. This will be casual. So if you speak to your friends, really close friends, if you speak like this way, it's what's happened? Why you talk to me very politely? What's happened to you? Or you speak to the boss, department manager, 食べる I will eat. Depending on the occasion, you have to choose, okay, that's business, we need to speak politely, so this way. Or this is very casual, this is my best friends, you will choose like this way. So that's why, this is Japanese culture. Any words, any sentence, we have a polite and casual. Polite, casual, polite, casual. Polite, 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 casual, casual, casual. It's like this. This is culture. Okay. So that's why polite and casual. Easy differences. And the other is a bit weird. I've never seen other language. Any other language we have these differences. So it's a bit weird. But this is it. This is a language. When you learn other language, sometimes Why they have a female, male, neutral? What's the point to have this one? But you don't need to think what's the point. I mean, that's the language. If you like, you have to learn. So that's the language, okay? So here is reported form, and this is emotional form. What is this differences? So reported form is like you will become reporter. It's like this Mary is it will eat dinner. Not my friends Mary will eat dinner. No, it's like you're a reporter. Like you don't put any emotion in the sentence. So she will do this, and he said no. And after that, she said yes. It's like I'm a reporter, and like U.S. President Donald Trump said this, and then after that is one woman answer like this. That's reporter. So finally, we don't use the general conversation, this one, so often. Then we use this emotional form, but we don't use alone. This is because it's all casual. You can change to a more polite way. This plus we say this form, this. You add this this. For example, 食べるんです、食べたんです、行くんです、行ったんです。Then this sentence is you are speaking personally. Not I'm a reporter, I don't have emotion, this guy I'm doing. And this guy is kick the ball and yes, go or something. This is a reporter. But this is personally I went and it was very fun. I went, it was fun. If I use this one is he went and tell me, but I'm not, I don't have an emotion, and this tell me went. Is again, it's a bit weird. It's like English, maybe you will say, just you change the tone. It's like this way is, yes, I went. Do you play football? Yeah, I see. Do you eat vegetable? I see. Or do you eat vegetable? I see. That's the differences. What's your name? Or what is your name? What is your name? No emotion, like what's your name? Or what's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. Or what's your name? Okay, nice to meet you. It's like you have, this sentence has emotion or not. That's the differences. Very weird, but it's like more classic, no emotion, or you are talking personally. Okay. Then, actually short form, with short form you can do many expression. For example, these things plus some other word, then you can make many expression. For example, I hope she will go, or I believe she will go, or I suppose be there, or something. You can make many expression with short form, because long form, if you use it, that's the end of the sentence and you cannot make more expression. It's very simple. I will do, I did it. But this form, you can make many expressions, which means if you see anime, if you see movie, if you meet Japanese people, everybody using this form very often. So, but in order to step up this level, we need to finish this basic level, finish the basic grammar, and we can step up. But actually, Japanese kids are learning from this way. So, it's native people, we don't learn the grammar like from the young kids, baby age. Whatever mother speak, just we repeat. So actually, that's why this level, this form is most common. But as an education, grammatically, this is much easier and this is a little bit more difficult, so we will start from here. So this is short form and long form differences. So you will see now the negative differences also, but the same things. So actually, negative also the same. It's a differences this between long form, short form, this polite, casual, reported form or emotional form and more expression are exactly same. Just, negative. So 食べません I will not eat. 食べませんでした I didn't eat. 行きません I will not go. And 行きませんでした I didn't go. Then short form also it's totally sounds different. 食べない食べなかった行かない行かなかった食べません to 食べない Oh, I have heard many times. Maybe you have heard this 食べない than 食べません You see, because we have more expressions and more emotional form. So, today's lesson is until here. Long form, short form, just you can memorize, you can learn today that long form and short form exist. But now, if you are A2 level, let's finish this form and let's step up more basic, more natural form. Okay, well done.